Do you guys ever have brain fog where you just can't remember things that you should? And you're tired even though you slept, and you're in more pain than you think you should be? And you're just chalking it up to getting older. Or maybe you go to the doctor and they give you a reassurance that, hey, your blood work looks okay, and you're just getting older. It's not a sign of just getting older. It is so possible for people to have an autoimmune disorder and not know it. Most of them are actually misdiagnosed for years, which means they're mistreated. And since there's over 100 different autoimmune disorders, they all have different signs and symptoms. I knew after being in the industry, the healthcare industry, for over 30 years, that modern medicine alone was just not enough. The inflammation, the oxidative stress, the mitochondria malfunction, the toxin accumulation, and modern medicine alone just doesn't do that. Hmm. Knew there had to be a better way. So I did a lot of years of research. One of the keys is in our gene and attacking the root cause on a cellular level. And that's what I help you do because you don't have to just suffer with brain fog, fatigue, pain. It's important to speak with a healthcare provider like myself to discuss what triggers there are in foods you're eating and what foods can be used for their medicinal purposes.